Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Artin Hermawanti, and now we are going to learn about understanding the environment. Lesson outlined. What is environment? What is environmental cleanliness and beauty? And what are the impacts of tourism development to the environment? And now let's learn about the environment definition by the experts and by the law. The first one, based on Law Number 23 of 1997, the living area or environment is the unity of space with all objects, forces, conditions, and the living things, including humans and their behavior, which affect the continuity of life and the welfare of humans and other living creatures. And now, based on Munajat Danu Saputro, the environment or the living environment is all objects and their powers and conditions, including humans and their actions, which are contained in the space where humans are located and affect the survival and welfare of humans and other living bodies. And the next one, based on Sujono, the environment is the physical or physical environment found in nature. This understanding explains that humans, animals, and plants are seen and considered as physical manifestation of the body. And now, based on McNaughton and Wolf, the environment is all external factors. The factors in question are either physical or biological. These factors have a direct influence on life, such as growth, development, and reproductive activities of an organism. And the last one, based on Michael Eleby, the living environment is the physical environment, the biotic environment, and the chemical environment. All these things surround the life of the whole organism. Since you already heard some of environment definitions by the experts and also by the law, so what does environment mean to you? And now we have types of environment. The types of environment divided into two. The first one is geographical environment and the second one is man-made environment. The geographical environment or natural environment is the terrestrial environment which consists of complex natural and environmental conditions. This includes natural resources such as climate, earth surface, rivers, mountains, deserts, land, water, oceans, volcanoes, etc. The geographical environment is free from human intervention. The explanation: the natural environment is a place consisting of abiotic components, small nature, and all related conditions without any human's influence. And now the man-made environment refers to the environment created by humans to maintain and regulate the condition of the surrounding environment or for living purposes. The artificial environment is divided into two categories, namely the inner environment, which is a social environment that will always exist as long as human civilization still exists, and the outer environment, which is a modification of the physical environment that helps humans to develop and survive, for example, such as infrastructure development and so on. Next, three main environmental components. The first one, physical component. The physical components of the environment include air, water, soil, light, temperature, climate, etc. Physical components are also referred to as abiotic components. This component determines the condition of human life. Physical components are also classified into three parts, namely atmosphere or gas, hydrosphere or liquid, and lithosphere or solid. The second one is biological component. The biological components of the environment, or called biotic components, include all living things, such as plants, animals, and small microorganisms, such as fungi and bacteria. The interaction of abiotic and biotic components then forms ecosystem, such as forest ecosystem, marine ecosystem, etc. And the last one is social component. The social component is human and the interactions that occur between humans. And now, the importance of environment. The environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth. Planet Earth is home to all species of living things, and all living things are very dependent on the environment to survive. Therefore, it is very important for every individual to protect and maintain the environment so that it is maintained and able to be sustainable. So, what is the impact of tourism development on the environment? Let's say on the positive impact first. The first one is expand employment opportunities. The second one, increasing business opportunities. The third one, increasing revenue. The next one is maintenance of local culture. And the fifth one is the introduction of local culture by tourists. Now let's see the negative impact of tourism development on the environment. The first one is the occurrence of additional population pressure due to new arrivals from outside the region. The second one is the emergence of commercialization, the development of a consumptive lifestyle, and environmental disturbance, increasingly limited agricultural land, culture digestion, and local community urgency. So now you already learned about the environment. What do you think about environment, and how could you keep the environment be sustainable? If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me on the comment section down below. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.